Hello, good day, and welcome to my new 21 series of meditations and insights to this special period of life. I call it Healing Everywhere. And in the next 21 days, I'm about to give some healing through a short kind of recommendation for a meditation. Today I'm sitting in a small forest around my place, and I'm sitting on the ground now, and I'm hearing the birds. And for today, this will be the first meditation I recommend. To sit outside, if it's possible for you, to sit on the ground and just to listen to all the noises of the birds, the trees, the lizards, the butterflies, and just be. Happy to be with you, sending you love and well-being. See you tomorrow, healing everywhere.